this video, I will be showing you how to fix lag Roblox. Okay, so there are many ways on how to fix lag in Roblox. And I'm going to show you a few of these methods. So this is what it looks like. And obviously, if you want to play Roblox, you don't want any disturbances or any lag. So if you're encountering that thing, the first thing you have to do here is to just go to your search bar icon or this magnifying glass here and type edit power plan. So you just have to tap this one, and once it appears, you just have to click open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Tap open. Now here you have to look for power options. Click power options and you can see an arrow facing down there. You have to tap that one and look for high performance. You have to click this one. Of course, in order for us not to encounter any lag or any disappointments on our PC while playing, we should put these settings to high performance. And you can see the difference if you're using that one or not. So there's a huge difference for that. Next is you have to search for game mode settings. Click this one. And here you have to look for Roblox in order for you to uh, adjust the settings. But if you can see it right here, then you have to tap this browse and look for Roblox. Okay, tap this one and click open. Now here you have to tap this to or select high performance again in order for you to avoid lag while playing or any disturbances while playing Roblox. Next, we have to avoid any lags is to just tap or type run and then follow this instruction here. Percent symbol, temp, percent symbol, and then tap OK. Then you can see here temporary files. You can just delete all of this. Okay, click delete and you can go to recycle bin after and delete these files again. So maybe these files are not necessary and this could be one of the reasons why you are encountering lags while playing a Roblox. So I do really hope that these methods work. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.